Can back. As you can see, my floor is dirty. I guess I could have said that I forgot a mop, but that just would have been a lie. I just haven't mopped. It's actually my boyfriend's. He's the one that's the mop. I do the dishes, but the color. I mean, I guess that's why he doesn't mop because the dishes aren't done. I don't know. I guess. I mean, it's either this or you see me just do this silently. But that's all I'm doing, just cutting the edges. As you can see, I don't like to twist it because you can lose your can. Flop it. This is where it does get dangerous. The only reason I like doing that and not cutting it in half, because that leaves like a literally a blade around the plant afterwards. Tut, and there it is. These aren't. Be careful with these. You shouldn't be doing what I'm doing. And there's your can. Ta-da! After you get the can at the top, we want to start doing the drainage. So water does not get clogged up and creates moisture and fungus, and then it creates disease for the plants. I did use a replacement blade. So what about if we use these instead of the rocks? This is my first time trying it, so we'll do like a review every week to see if it's working or not. We don't want to like tap it, we just want to make it so it flows, so the soil doesn't get hard. Joe, you're making way too much noise. Way too much noise. Okay, there we go. And then we need it to be 1/4. 1/4 is going to be around, I mean, at least for me, it's like the end of the nail of my pinky. So that's how deep we want our seeds, but we also want our seeds to have sunlight, so we're going to make sure it's a little bit above the thing. But I don't know, it's a little bit complicated. I don't think that's something I should have said in this thing. But there we go. So that's a probably good size, which we're going to plant our seeds. This many of catnip. It says it is 1/4, so we're just going to sprinkle those bad boys in there. Come on, get in there. Good. And then now we're just gonna sprinkle it off with soils. And there's a cute little trick that I found out. Perfect. Ta-da! But see, so that's how big you want the soil to be, and this is like the layer in which we're gonna plant the seeds. There's that one right there. Boom, 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 boom.